Hello, my name is Dr.Rath. Today we'll talk about the business with disease, the business model of the pharmaceutical investment industry. This business operates according to certain principles, which I'll call the laws of the pharmaceutical industry. The most important ones of these laws are, first, the pharmaceutical industry is an investment industry driven by the profits of its shareholders. Improving human health is not the driving force of this industry. Second, the pharmaceutical investment industry was artificially created and strategically developed over an entire century by the same investment groups that control the global petrochemical and chemical industries. Third, the huge profits of the pharmaceutical industry are based on the patenting of new drugs. These patents essentially allow drug manufacturers to arbitrarily define the profits for their products. Fourth, the marketplace for the pharmaceutical industry is the human body, but only for as long as the body hosts diseases, which means as long as you are sick. Thus, maintaining and expanding diseases is a precondition for the growth of the pharmaceutical industry. 5. A key strategy to accomplish this goal is the development of drugs that merely mask symptoms while avoiding to cure or eliminate diseases. This explains why most prescription drugs marketed today have no proven efficacy and merely target symptoms. 6. To further expand their pharmaceutical market, the drug companies are continuously looking for new applications or indications for the use of drugs they already market. 7. Another key strategy to expand pharmaceutical markets is to cause new diseases with drugs, while merely masking symptoms short-term. Most of the prescription drugs taken by millions of patients today cause a multitude of new diseases as a result of their known long-term side effects. For example, 42% of all registered drugs today taken by people on prescription, paid for by health insurances, are potentially cancerogenic, which means they potentially cause cancers. 8. The known deadly side effects of prescription drugs are the fourth leading cause of death in the industrialized world, surpassed only by the number of deaths from heart attacks, cancers, and strokes. This fact is no surprise either, because drug patents are primarily used for new synthetic molecules. All synthetic molecules need to be detoxified and eliminated from the body, a system that frequently fails and results in an epidemic of severe and deadly side effects. The pharmaceutical business with disease is the largest deception and fraud business in human history. The product health promised by drug companies is not delivered to millions of patients. Instead, the products most often delivered are exactly the opposite: new diseases and often death. The survival of the pharmaceutical industry is dependent on the elimination, by any means, of effective natural health therapies. These natural and non-patentable therapies have become the treatment of choice for millions of people, despite the combined economic, political, and media opposition of the world's largest investment industry.